If you're looking to get started with Outgrow, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to begin using this powerful platform to supercharge your business and create engaging experiences for your audience. Stick around till the end, because I'm also offering an exclusive and extended free trial you won't find anywhere else, so you'll be able to test everything out for yourself. Outgrow is an interactive content creation tool that helps you design quizzes, calculators, assessments, and other types of engaging content to boost your leads and conversions. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or even part of a larger team, Outgrow allows you to personalize the user experience in ways that directly benefit your marketing strategy. Getting started with Outgrow is simple. First, head over to their site and create an account. Right from the start, you'll be given access to an intuitive dashboard where you can track your progress, set up new campaigns, and review your analytics. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so you won't feel overwhelmed even if you're new to digital marketing. Once you're in, Outgrow offers templates for just about every kind of content you might want to create, from lead generation forms to custom quizzes. You can start by selecting a template that fits your needs or building your own from scratch. This flexibility allows you to stay within your brand's guidelines while experimenting with interactive formats that truly engage your audience. To create your first piece of content, simply choose the type of content you want to create. Let's say you want to build a quiz. Outgrow will guide you through the process of designing questions and answer options, customizing the look and feel, and adding logic to your quiz. This means you can offer personalized results based on the user's answers, a powerful way to generate relevant leads. After creating your content, Outgrow allows you to integrate it seamlessly with your CRM, email marketing tools, and other platforms. This is a game changer because it ensures that the leads you generate are immediately actionable, meaning you can follow up with them and convert them into customers faster. Now, I know you're probably wondering about how Outgrow tracks the success of your campaigns. The platform offers built-in analytics that help you understand how well your content is performing. You'll get real-time data on engagement, leads, and conversion rates, so you can tweak your campaigns and make adjustments on the fly. The data is simple to interpret, even for beginners, but it's also detailed enough for more advanced users to dive into. What's more, Outgrow provides options for A/B testing. You can test different versions of your interactive content to see what resonates most with your audience, ensuring you're always improving your strategies. This is a huge advantage when you're trying to maximize your ROI. If you're worried about the technical side of things, Outgrow has you covered. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, but they also provide excellent support through tutorials and a dedicated help center. They're really great at answering questions, and if you ever get stuck, you'll have plenty of resources to guide you through. To make your journey even easier, remember that you can use Outgrow completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This will allow you to explore all the features without committing right away. Now, as we wrap up, I want to remind you that Outgrow is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their marketing game. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger marketing team, the interactive content you create with Outgrow can be the key to engaging your audience, increasing leads, and boosting your conversions. And just before I go, don't forget, if you're ready to dive into Outgrow, use the link below for an exclusive and extended free trial that will let you test out all the features without any risks. Take advantage of this offer and start building your interactive content today.